Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I animate Strike's eyes without messing up other parts of him. So what y'all can tell is that these line up very perfectly. Almost too perfectly. And the reason for that is because of layers. Commonly, I have the black screen as the most lowest layer. That way the eyes can be displayed on top. And then I make the eyes their own separate layer, so that when I'm changing them, I don't have to worry about messing something else up. Then I have the I don't really know what to call this, like the mouth thing, like, it's hard to think of what it's called. The, main body structure is the third layer, with the hair being the top layer. Sometimes in my animations you also see Strike wearing a hat. And I do that by just adding another layer and drawing the hat on top. Like so. Of course, I do have to cover up any parts of the hair that may be sticking out, which does lead this to looking kind of wonky. But hey, can just call it's a canon event, as people's been calling funny things like this. But yeah. And that is how I make that. Anyways, peace.